this one is a C1US processor. It's a 2K video processor. As you can see, this one is a back panel and this one is the front panel. So let's start with the back panel. When it comes to the inputs, here CVBS is an input, VGA, HDMI. Here HDMI input has a loop. Similarly, SDI input and SDI has a loop. Here are the audio input and as well as output. And it's an optional module. In this optional module, you can get a DVI, HDMI, CVBS and USB, except for the display. And this one is the output, which is into DVI. These two ports has the same output. One can be used for the monitor and other can be used for the LED screen. And here you find two ports for the sender card, where you can install two sender cards over here. And this is the power button, and this one is the power socket. And at the starting you can find two communication ports, which is an RS-232 through LAN, and other one is USB. Through this USB you can upgrade the device. Thank you. And let's come back to the front panel. Here is the OLED screen, where you can monitor all the activities of the video processor functioning. Here I rotate left and right through the knob. This one is called a knob button. If I need to select input, then I press in the middle, the input detail would be selected. If I need to confirm anything, then I press again as an enter, then enter. I'll go back. This one is the menu button. In this menu button, we can find all the functions of the video processor. If I need to go back on the screen, then I'll press on a back button over here. Here you can see your arrow, which represents as a back. And this one is a save button. I click on the save button. Here I can see 10 save options. In this 10 save option, I can save a different configuration into each save option. If I saved a configuration in save 6, then I press enter. And I'll go back. If I retrieve the save 6 configuration again, then I press on load button, then I'll select as in save 6. Take time. Here is the output button. Here I see two things, a standard and a custom. In standard mode, here I see a resolution which are automatically done. I'll go back. Here I select custom. I press enter to change the resolution of the screen. If I need a 1200 into 600 at 60 Hertz, I click on the knob to confirm and I'll go back. Here how the output button works, and this one is the split button. If for example my screen size is large, if I have one sending card, through that one sending card I may not do it. I need to have other sending card to split the screen, which can be divided into two screens. I click on split button and I'll select as an on, and then split the sizes by giving the parameters and resolution over here. I'll go back. Here is the volume button. In this volume button, I can do the mute on and off, and I can control the volume of the input and as well as for the output. I'll go back. This one is a full screen. If I click on this button, the screen size would be full on the screen. This one is a scale. If I select scale, here I see some parameters. I can change the parameter and I can regulate the position of the screen. I'll go back. these are the signal sources. If your input is CVBS, then I need to click on CVBS. If my input is VGA, then I will click on VGA. Similarly, if it is an HDMI, then I will click on HDMI. If it is an SDI, then I click on SDI. Here my optional module is USB. If I need to select USB, then I'll click on the module button. And the last button is black. If I need to make a screen black, then I'll click on the black button. Thank you.